On March 19, 2025, Plastics Industry Ringier Technology Innovation Awards ceremony was held in Shanghai. Wang Fengxian, North China Sales Director of Borche, and Liu Pingding, Two-Platen R&D Head, attended on behalf of Borche. Mr. Wang accepted the award and delivered a speech. Borche's self-developed Two-Platen electric IMM won this prestigious award for its groundbreaking innovation and technical superiority. The Ringier Technology Innovation Award, hosted by Ringier Industrial Media, is renowned for its fairness and objectivity and is one of the most authoritative industrial awards. It has been known as the Oscar of the plastics industry. As a practitioner in green transformation for global injection molding, Borche focuses on precision, efficiency, energy conservation, and intelligent solutions. Based on 19 years of Two-Platen R&D, Borche's machine innovates with servo-kick, intelligent controls, and precise design, reducing energy while boosting accuracy and productivity for greater customer value. In the future, Borche will continue to lead with its expertise in intelligent Two-Platen IMMs, achieving breakthroughs in low-carbon, digital, and intelligent technologies, showcasing China's innovative manufacturing power to the world.